Hey, this is Jules from Koncile, and today I'm going to explain how to extract key information from your procurement agreements or any kind of agreements. The goal is to turn those PDF agreements in your software into usable data for your business. You can analyze in Excel or analyze in your procurement or accounting tools. Let's dig in.
So we are on the Koncile app, and the Koncile app can transform this PDF document into structured data on the right. What's important to understand is that there's two phases. The first is transforming this into text, and second is to interpret, categorize, and make some reasoning on this agreement to be able to deduct all those fields. It's also important to understand that all those fields can be edited. You can add new entries. You can add new fields to be extracted to the document and specify exactly what you want. I'll go to the extraction template. So the extraction template is a list of information with description and formats that you can edit to be able to extract exactly the information you want on the contract. So what kind of information you can extract from a procurement agreement? So basically, you can first extract some control information, some controlling information. For example, here, you want to ask whether this document is a procurement agreement or not. You can also make categorization. For example, here on procurement agreement, we've drafted a list of different agreement types, and the software will automatically deduct which kind of procurement contract it is. We can also deduct the category of procurement contract that this contract belongs to. For example, it could be like real estate, it could be facility management, it could be training. Here, for instance, it's an enterprise software. Also, interesting information that you can capture from this document is if you want to be notified 6 months in advance that your contract is going to renew or expire, you can deduct those dates directly by typing exactly what you want. For example, here, if the contract's duration is over 3 years, answer 6 months before the end date. So the agreement, the software, will basically take the end date of the agreement and go 6 months backward and give you the exact date. So what's interesting also in procurement agreement, you also want to have information on SLAs, on the contract value, on the commercial payment terms. And you also want to know whether the contract is open-ended, whether it renews automatically, if there is any rebates or commercial any advantages, is there any penalties in case the SLA is not respected, and can the contract be terminated by convenience or not? Is there any exit fee? And what is the governing law and the applicable liability cap for the supplier? So when you drafted and when you edited all those fields to exactly match your needs, you can basically upload any agreement that you want within these templates, and all the agreements will be basically processed according to these templates, and you'll be able to download the data in Excel and also to connect with your tools to be able to capture exactly the data you want and put it into your day-to-day software.